Welcome to this week's reading focus. This is an activity for Monday. The children might need a little bit of your help because it's fairly new to them, but once they get it, they understand it, the rest of the time they should be right. I'm sorry, you will need to print this worksheet here. They'll need 3 to 4 copies depending on how they go. This strategy is called a visible thinking strategy. It's made up of 3 components: I see, I think, and I wonder. And what it does, it trains the brain, trains our children to just go a little bit deeper with their thinking and understanding. The I see is your surface understanding. It is literally, what do you see with your eyes? I think goes a little bit deeper. What do you think about what you see? And I wonder goes deeper still. What do you wonder about what you are thinking and seeing? So this space is for them to write phrases, write sentences. They can draw about what they are actually physically seeing, what they are thinking about what they are seeing, and then a little bit deeper, what are they wondering? So we'll start with the first example. Today we're going to do 3 examples because they need the practice. So it might take a little bit longer this time, but as they get better at it, it shouldn't be that bad. All right, this is our first picture. So it's just a stimulus picture. So if you just want to bring that up on your screen like how I've got it and leave it there for a couple of minutes. What do you see? What do you actually physically see? I see the mountains. I see some bushes, some scraggly bushes, some sand. I see a girl because I can tell she's a girl from her hair. She is carrying something on her head. She's got 2 plastic bottles in her hands and a bowl of some sort. She's got thongs on. What she's wearing looks like it would be a hot weather. So that's what I actually see. So then you get the children to just write down mountains, girl, a girl walking, thongs, bushes, what else was there? Sand. So that's physically what they see. Now they go back and they think about what they're seeing. So I think it is, I think I might have said it before, I think it could be a hot season because of what she is wearing. So it could be summer. I think she is on her way to fill these bottles in that bowl and the one on her head. So she's going somewhere because the bottles don't look like they have anything in them. So I think she's going somewhere. She's all by herself. So they fill just a couple of those things in there. What are they thinking about what they're seeing? And now we go, I wonder. So I wonder where her family are because she's by herself. I wonder why these bottles are empty, the bowl looks empty. And I wonder why she's walking towards this mountain that doesn't look like there's anything there. So I wonder why she's walking there. I wonder, does she do this every day? Does she do this every week? I wonder why. And I wonder what is going to fit in these bottles and bowl. And I wonder, is she going to come back the same way with all this full. So do you see where I'm going? So we start off just by what we see, then we think about what we see, and the wondering has taken us to a deeper place of questioning and understanding. So please, by all means, help your children do the first one. Sorry, and just get them to talk about it to you. You talk about it with them. And then the second one is a rather funny one. Ta-da! So, what do you see? What do you think about what you see? And what do you wonder about what you see and think? So you can pause this at any time while the children fill out their I see, I think, I wonder. Get them to write their name on it, take a photo and upload it to Seesaw, but don't paste it into anything just yet. Just hang on to them for a little bit. And then tomorrow, or rather on Thursday, there will be another I see, I think, I wonder with a different outcome. So that's it. I see, I think, I wonder.